Guys, welcome to my blog. I am Prasanjit. I'm going to show you the Saturday market in Dudhnoi. Tang. Dudhnoi pork market coming. Big meat pieces available here. Man making small pieces. This place is monsoon water. Every time pani water. Wow, sexy meat pieces. Big meat pieces, small making. You, wow, beautiful man.
Available pork chicken this market. You come, joldi come.
Wow, big pieces. Nah, moza. No, this lahori is very. This is meat, nerves, heart, etc. This pork is not good. There is no well. You will need eat this kolpasla, banana type. This half of a pig cutting is not half of a cut. I am going to show you vegetable market now. Go. This is water laupat. This is garlic. This chili snooze, vegetable, cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, mula. Available vegetable. This market, you come, Dudhnoi market, Dudhnoi vegetable market. Wow, lemon. Wow, lemon is very benefits for health. This ginger. Women people are taking vegetable. Women people are taking vegetable. Hey guys, you also come to Dudhnoi Saturday market in Dudhnoi and fill the bags with vegetable and go to a lower price. Come, joldi come. Guys, I am going to spice shop. Guys, this is black salt. This is dhuna, this is coriander, this is behor. Everything is available, etc. You show you Dudhnoi market. I am going to market. This man watering vegetable. Mal huke gise upay nai, pani marba lagbo. Available people this market. Thank you for watching the video. Please come. This is mula pat. This is lok. This is available mula pat. Available paleng. I am going to show the fish market. You come. This is small fish. Local fish. Salani fish. Local fish. Big fish. Biket mas. Biket fish.
কি কোম্পানি?
Fish.
পুরানা কোম্পানি জিও।
Available fish. This is local fish. Wow, small fish. Wow, nice. You come. This is big fish. Available fish at Dudhnoi market. This is hingi mas, salani mas. Wow, you come to Dudhnoi market for available fish. Wow, slim carrot. Gajar bor ki dieting kori ase neki iman je khin. Wow, sexy, nice. We are going to see you the local vegetable market in Dudnoy. Available man is potato, onion. Available people are Dudnoy market. Ginger, garlic, red chilli. I am going to local market. This is hamuk. This is posu. This is local market. All female shopkeeper. Male shopkeeper are not in the market, local market. You female guys, you come this market. Available vegetable. This is Snail. Your house underworld. This is only female shopkeepers. Almost female shopkeepers. Almost female shopkeepers are from the hills. Available local vegetable. Available local vegetable. Organic vegetable. This is banana. This is tomato, ginger, garlic, banana, himlalu. This is asrajal. This is langijal. I am going to show you. This is zakha, khaloi. This fishing is used. I am going to home. Today very hot. This is road. I am going to home. Today hot. This is mejenga. This is orange. Available people are hot today. Wow. Coming the pani. This is pulupoka. Wow. This is pig baby. Hey bro, this is male and female. Oh, male. Okay, thank you. Next, available pig baby and Dudnoy market. Bye bye guys, meet again with a video on. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye guys.